it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. I put to the test the Cantu coconut curling cream and the Cantu moisturizing twist and lock gel. So I put these two to the test. I did my hair last night, woke up this morning and unraveled. And I won't spoil it for you. I want you to see the process and of course see the results at the end. I love you guys so much. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know what products you use to achieve bomb twist outs. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
Welcome to my bathroom again. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair a few hours ago and it's about 90% dry. I did apply leave-in conditioner and a little bit of grapeseed oil, so it still feels a bit damp, and this is how it's looking right now. Still a bit shrunken but really washed and thankfully detangled. Now for me to just unravel the twist that I have, or the front twist, because the hairstyle will only be in the front. And then the hardest part, deciding on which side of my head I'd like my side part to fall. Decisions. Okay, I've decided on my right hand side and that's what I will be doing. After parting the front of my hair, I then just braid away any other hair sections that don't belong in this situation. Anything that does not belong in this hairstyle must just be tucked away neatly. So I was initially only going to use the twist and lock gel, but then I read on the back of this product that I need to actually use it in combination with the coconut curling cream because it enhances the product in that way. So then I read the back of the coconut curling cream and I realized that I actually need to wet my hair again because it needs to be applied on damp hair. So I wet my hands and then applied that water all over the section that I was working on. I literally just lathered the water on just to make it a little wet, not too damp, but just a little wet, so that when the product applies, it does its thing on wettish hair. After applying the water on my hair, I then went ahead and applied a dime size of the coconut curling cream on my finger and then lathered all of that on my hair. It does have a white residue on application, but once you work it in, the product absorbs really well into my hair, but you've got to work it in to ensure that it's actually absorbed by the hair. Now to apply the twist and lock gel. So it looks like a jelly, as you can see, a thick jelly, and the consistency, I can't tell. I don't know, it feels you know, like jelly. So now to section my hair into tiny little sections and twist away. I apply a little bit of the twist and lock gel on my fingers and then onto each section before twisting away. So upon applying the twist and lock gel, I was pleasantly surprised to see how my hair just curled and how defined my curl pattern was. So the hair looks coated with gel, as you can see, but the definition is crazy. Wow. Last one, yay! I was very excited to do this one because I was really tired. It was the end of the day and all I wanted to do was heat the sheets and sleep. So then I pulled the twists together and clipped them on the side of my hair with using bobby pins just to stretch the twists overnight. And then I put on my satin bonnet as usual and went to bed. Alrighty honeys, so these are the final results. I am happy. I have unraveled these babies and wow, the shine is incredible. I'm really impressed. The twists are bouncy. I just wish I could pin them down a little further. I tried stretching them but they did shrink back. Otherwise, I'm really happy overall. I think I'm definitely going to use this in future. I had never tried Cantu's Twist and Lock Gel before, and I'm pretty impressed. I really am. Only thing is, like I say, I feel like I should have stretched them a bit more, which I probably can do now with my pins, so perhaps I'll do that after this video. I don't like the way it's standing at the moment. Otherwise, I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this hairstyle a try and don't forget to tag me either on Instagram or Facebook. It's actually Yolz channel on Facebook as well. It's Yolz channel on Instagram. It's Yolz channel everywhere, man. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah! Bye!